Imagine a hidden monster, utterly invisible, yet powerful enough to rip apart stars and swallow entire solar systems. It moves silently through the cosmic darkness, and you'd never see it coming. For centuries, humanity has looked up at the night sky with a mix of wonder and curiosity. We've sent probes to distant planets, peered into the birth of stars, and even captured glimpses of galaxies forming billions of years ago. Our universe is a breathtaking canvas of unimaginable beauty, a symphony of light and creation. But beneath that awe-inspiring spectacle, lurking in the shadows, are truths that would chill you to the bone. Scientists, in their relentless quest to understand everything, have stumbled upon something so profoundly terrifying it makes even the most seasoned astronomers pause. It's not an alien invasion or a cosmic burst. It's something far more fundamental, far more insidious, because it's almost impossible to detect, and it's still out there, possibly headed our way. What if the biggest threat isn't something that explodes with a bang, but something that silently devours everything in its path, without a
Keep
whisper?
quiet!
What if the most horrifying discovery is an entity so powerful, so immense, that it defies our very understanding of destruction? We're talking about rogue supermassive black holes. Not the kind that sit at the center of galaxies, holding everything together, but the ones that have been violently cast out, hurtling through the vast, empty canvas of space like cosmic bullets. Think about that for a second. A black hole, not just any black hole, but one with the mass of millions, even billions of our suns, wandering aimlessly through the void. This isn't just a stellar mass black hole, born from a dying star, which is scary enough on its own. This is a galactic behemoth, an entire gravitational prison on the loose, with an appetite to match its size. The sheer scale of their terror is hard to wrap your head around. Imagine a rogue planet, or even a rogue star. Pretty terrifying, right? But those you can see, you can track them, predict their movements. A supermassive black hole. It's literally the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaner. Anything that gets too close, anything caught in its immense gravitational embrace, is gone. Not just squashed or burned, but pulled apart at a molecular level, spaghettified, and swallowed into an eternal abyss. Planets, entire solar systems, even clusters of stars, they would simply vanish, leaving no trace, no debris, just an empty space where something once existed. The universe is a big place, but these things don't just consume, they obliterate. But here's the kicker, the truly terrifying part: you can't see them. Black holes, by their very nature, absorb all light. They are the ultimate cosmic camouflage. We usually detect black holes by their effects on surrounding matter, the way stars orbit them, or the superheated gas spiraling into the distant horizon. But a rogue, supermassive black hole drifting through the desolate stretches between galaxies wouldn't have any of those telltale signs. There's no gas for it to feed on, no stars to yank around in a dance visible from light years away. It's a silent, invisible predator, a ghost in the machine of the cosmos, moving at speeds of millions of miles per hour, completely undetectable until it's far too late. It's the ultimate boogeyman, existing only as a profound, destructive gravitational force. So how do these cosmic leviathans even come into being? Scientists believe they are the unfortunate byproducts of one of the universe's most violent events, galactic mergers. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, and in a few billion years they will smash together. When galaxies collide, their central supermassive black holes, each one a monstrous gravity well, engage in an intense gravitational ballet. They orbit each other closer and closer, eventually merging into an even larger supermassive black hole. But sometimes, during this incredibly chaotic and energetic dance, the gravitational forces involved are so extreme that one or even both of these colossal black holes can be violently ejected, slingshotted out of the newly forming mega-galaxy and into the lonely intergalactic medium. It's like a colossal game of cosmic billiards where the balls are black holes and the table is the entire universe. For a long time, the existence of these rogue supermassive black holes was purely theoretical, a chilling mathematical possibility. How could you ever prove something existed if it was invisible and had no visible effects in its desolate environment? But recently, astronomers have started to find some compelling, if still speculative, evidence. One recent study, for example, showcased what appears to be a runaway supermassive black hole, leaving behind a luminous trail of newborn stars. Imagine a cosmic jet ski, but instead of water, it's creating a streak of blazing stars. This particular black hole is estimated to be 20 million times the mass of our Sun, tearing through space at an astonishing 110,000 miles per hour, pulling gas in its wake that then collapses to form new stars. This discovery, while groundbreaking, also highlights the challenge. We only saw this one because it happened to be interacting with enough gas to create a visible signature. Most of them, the truly silent ones, wouldn't leave such a cosmic breadcrumb trail. They would remain utterly dark, utterly unseen. And that brings us to the truly chilling part, the profound and inescapable horror of it all, the statistical probability. Our observable universe isn't just big, it's incomprehensibly vast. We're talking about billions, perhaps even trillions, of galaxies, each one potentially housing a supermassive black hole at its core. And galactic collisions, they're not rare anomalies, they happen all the time throughout cosmic history. If even a small percentage of these mergers result in the ejection of a supermassive black hole, then the sheer number of these phantom destroyers sailing through the cosmos could be absolutely staggering. Think about it. There could be millions, hundreds of millions, or even billions of these invisible planet-eating monsters out there right now, silently charting courses through the cosmic void. Most of them, unlike the one that left the star trail, would be completely alone, completely undetected. They are the ultimate existential threat, not just to one planet or one star, but to entire star systems, to entire galaxies, and we would never even know they were coming until it was too late. The vast, empty stretches of space, which we often see as a protective buffer, become their chilling highway, their hunting ground. The idea that one of these colossal, invisible entities could be silently drifting towards our own galaxy, the Milky Way, right now, is a thought that should send shivers down your spine. It's a terrifying possibility that reminds us just how vulnerable we are, how much of the universe remains a profound mystery, and how some of the scariest threats are those we might never, ever see coming. It's a reminder that while space is full of wonder, it's also full of an unimaginable silent terror that truly puts our place in the cosmos into a frightening perspective. If the deep, dark mysteries of the universe and the chilling realities lurking within them capture your imagination, subscribe so you don't miss our next cosmic exploration.